Shawease is a professional manufacturer and supplier of custom tempered glass in Dongguan, China. Founders of our company have over 10 years of experience manufacturing tempered glass screen protector and custom designed glass. As a company integrating industry and trade, our factory covers more than 5,000 square meters, with a team of engineers and technicians, with international vision and advanced automated production machinery. Our company provides high-quality OEM and ODM manufacturing service to customers. We produce a variety of mobile phone screen protectors, such as ultra-clear tempered glass screen protector, privacy tempered glass screen protector, matte tempered glass screen protector, and so on. All screen protective films made by Shawease are quality products with protective function and competitive price. iPhone tempered glass is our best-selling screen protector, with wholesale package and retail package. And we also produce other brand tempered glass screen protectors, like Nintendo, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Huawei, Realme, and Xiaomi. Our company specializes in producing custom tempered glass for devices in various fields, such as car navigation LCD, smartwatches, mobile phones, tablets, cameras and more. We supply premium custom tempered glass to all custom glass manufacturers, distributors, wholesalers, and importers around the world. What's more, we provide different types of product photos and videos for free to help your product marketing and promotion. We are founded on the principle of long-term strategy, first quality, with our products exported all over the world, every year in great quantities. Our custom tempered glass are produced in strict accordance with international standard. They come with anti-reflection, anti-scratch, and anti-smudge features to meet a wide range of consumer needs. We're committed to making our company and products more competitive with new ideas, new knowledge, and new technique, to ensure to provide superior quality products to customers, and to cooperate for mutual benefit, and enhance the influence of Chinese custom screen protector brands around the world. Please contact us if you are interested in business cooperation.